guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Kenang QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amabenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Golden Arrow 0. I'm joined by Radzu.
Radzu ungenile bafowethu. Today we won very well.
Yeah.
No politics. I know uBartman is an albino ngithi. Semthanda kakhulu eSouth Africa mara kuma Buccaneer angeke adlale bonza umuthi ngaye lapha yana. Abafuni abantu abaso. Bathanda umuthi, bathanda amaqanda. So siwine kahle namhlanje mnganami. Asifuni disturbance. So enye into engizoyikhuluma ukuthi amakhosi asijabuleni kakhulu. Singa criticize ama coach, singa criticize ama player. Unilepo namhlanje bangekho match fit. But amafane bekafuna ukuthi a replace which was not good. Morally yamehlisa because they gave him the gap time ukuthi azame ukuvuka yabona. So sakhuluma. Akibato ikwala very fast. Naje kwa kina mafuko amangala. Ka celebrate affair. So I love my beautiful beach, as you know. And then this beautiful beach is doing very nice these days. I got to retire here. Utsile kwa beach. One win, strong. I'm very happy. Thank you.